Boeing T-7 Red Hawk engine type. Is the T-7 Red Hawk supersonic? Hidden speed secrets.
For decades, America's future fighter pilots trained in aircraft designed during the Cold War. Aircraft that taught generations of aviators how to fly, how to fight, and how to survive. But warfare changed. Technology evolved. Fifth-generation fighters entered service, and suddenly the old training system wasn't enough. Then a new aircraft appeared, sleek, fast, digital from the ground up, built to prepare pilots for the future battlefield. Its name? The Boeing T-7 Red Hawk. But one question continues to spark curiosity among aviation enthusiasts around the world. Is the T-7 Red Hawk supersonic? And what hidden engineering secrets make this trainer one of the most advanced aircraft ever developed? The answer reveals a story of speed, innovation, and the future of military aviation. Because the T-7 was designed to train pilots for aircraft that may never lose a dogfight. The United States Air Force needed a replacement. For more than half a century, the T-38 Talon had served faithfully. But modern fighter pilots would soon fly aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Training requirements had changed dramatically. Pilots needed advanced digital systems, modern displays, realistic combat simulation, and performance closer to frontline fighters. The T-7 Red Hawk was developed using advanced digital engineering techniques, significantly reducing development time compared to traditional aircraft programs. This wasn't simply a new trainer, it was a revolution in aircraft development, and the revolutionary design process would lead to a surprisingly powerful aircraft. When Boeing and Saab unveiled the T-7 Red Hawk, expectations were enormous. The aircraft would be responsible for training future generations of fighter pilots. Failure wasn't an option. Every detail mattered. The cockpit, the controls, the flight performance. Everything had to prepare pilots for combat aviation's future. The T-7's cockpit was designed to resemble the digital environments found in modern combat aircraft. Pilots transitioning to advanced fighters would face a much smoother learning curve. But one feature attracted immediate attention: its speed. Because rumors quickly spread that the T-7 could do something many trainers cannot: break the sound barrier. Want more hidden military aviation secrets? More classified aircraft stories? More next-generation aerospace technology? Then join Supersonic News today. Because the next aircraft we reveal could redefine the future of air combat. Subscribe now. Like, comment, turn on notifications. And remember, the future belongs to those who train for it first.